What's up, guys? How you doing? This is Germaine from Learn with Germaine Grimes, and today I will show you an easy way to correct your white balance in Photoshop. All right, so your first step is to make a copy of your background layer. You can do so by pressing Control J on your PC. Next, you want to scroll down to your adjustment layer options. Scroll up to curves and select that. Now, once you get to your curves dialog box, click on the I guess hash marks, I believe that's what you call it. Scroll down to auto options. Once you see the auto color correction options, at this point you have a couple of choices that you can make. For this example, I will suggest you use fine, dark, and light colors. Once you click on that, you can see that the photo is a little bit more balanced at this point in time. It's not as warm as what it once was. So next, I want to take it a step further by snapping the neutral midtones. Once you do that, it takes it a step further. So now, once you look at the image is properly balanced, and you can click OK. This is pretty much it, guys. It's very quick, and I really do like the outcome of this image. I wish I would have known this 2 years ago, but hey, it is what it is, right? So let me know what you think about this option. Let me know if you knew about this before and maybe I'm just late to the party, and let me know your thoughts on this image as well. And you can leave those in the comments. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will get back with you guys with a new video very soon. Have a blessed day. Peace.